Hello class and welcome to week 13 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working out of the Great Week 2 module, and you'll begin by working on the Great Week 2 discussion board post at the end of the week. For this week, I would like you to analyze the artist that you chose for your cultural icon. I'd like to analyze some information about this particular person, or maybe it's a person, I would say. So analyze the artist's career. What has this artist contributed to the career, the field? Why is it valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as the representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre. Just like the way Klosterman argues that Sousa represented all of the marching band music and Bob Marley represents all of reggae. All right, so I'd like you to focus your ideas into 2 to 3 organized paragraphs, and you may quote or paraphrase information from the sources from your annotated bibliography with MLA citations. Of course, include an MLA style works cited, and don't forget to respond to at least 2 other peers and offer extended information that your peers already posted. That's for week 2. In addition, I would like you to work on the blog at the end of the week as well. I'd like you to think about how you've connected, how you can extend the information, how you can challenge the information that you have learned. This is very familiar. You've been posting blogs all semester long. So how did you connect with the material? How did the material and assignment extend your thinking? And what was challenging about it for this week? What did you see or notice or watch in the material? What did you think about as you read it? And what do you wonder about? So these are things I'd like you to really think about as you think about the person you've chosen for your icon, your cultural icon. As well, I'd like you to respond to at least one post for the peer response for this blog post. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.